All right, so what we're going to show you here is how this all comes apart. It doesn't require any tools. So the top just lifts off. And then there are 4 pins. There's 2, or 6 rather. There's 2 up here and there's 4 at the bottom. Now these pins, we do give you the washers and the wing nuts if you want these to be permanently fixed. I don't think it's really required, but so this bottom shelf can just lift out like so. We'll go ahead and take these pins out so we don't lose those. So again, we give you the wing nuts, but I don't really think it's required. I don't know that it really adds any strength to the unit. So here is our auxiliary table top. And I should point out too, on the bottom, it says front, so we know which way to orient that when we put it back down. So we want the front towards the front. All right, so then this will just come off of here now. Folds up flat, just like so. So then, on the back side here, there is 2 tops. So this is our work top, and it just slides in place. Okay, there's a little cleat back here that will hold it down so you can put downward pressure on and it won't flip off. But this just slides out, and then this bottom shelf just slides out, and then that will fold up and you're ready to go. So again, to kind of do it backwards now, we'll go ahead and put it back together again. So you put in your shelf, we'll put in our work top, and we'll take our auxiliary stand here, just kind of place it just like so, put in our pins. They should line up pretty easily. Sometimes they can be a little tricky to get them lined up just right. Yeah. Get them in there. Around the back side is a little bit easier to work with. All right. And then again, we want to make sure that where it's marked front does be shown at the front. Let's come around to the back side here. I'll point something out to you. This auxiliary top is flush with this, and that bottom is also flush. So you're flush over here, you're flush over here, and then that way your hole for your pins should line up pretty close. And again, if you want to use the wing nuts that are provided to secure those, you certainly can do that. Put our top back on. And this is designed in such a way that it only goes one way. So it'll just kind of slide right into place here. Just like so. There is a little bit of play front to back, about a ½ inch, and there's a little bit of play left to right, also about a ½ inch. And there's your completed bar.